Dear friends, good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Gajanan Vajire, working in Department of Electronics, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Friends, all we are stuck into lockdown due to COVID-19, which is major pandemic nowadays. And actually in this lockdown period, a few of my students asked me about the malfunctioning of their projects. Projects are related to heartbeat circuits and few are related to Arduino programming. Today, in this short video, I will focus on heartbeat sensors and detector circuits. Basically, heartbeat sensor or detector, it is a circuit which is used to measure the heartbeat rates of human being. Actually, we can use this circuit in other living beings also, but particularly I am talking about human beings. There are two ways to measure the heartbeat rates. One is a manual way and another is electronics way. Again, in electronics way, there are two methods. One is using heartbeat sensor, in short we call it as HPS, and another is using cardiographs. Basically, we call it as electrocardiographs. In short, it is ECG. I'm keeping this side particularly empty right now to show you some electronic circuits, some diagrams, some photographs, some pictures, some audio and all these kinds. So, heartbeat measurement is necessary to monitor the proper working of our heart. In case of children, this rate may vary from 60 to 100 beats per minute, and in case of adults, the same rate may vary from 70 to 100 beats per minute. But in overall, the standard rate is considered to be 72 beats per minute. Now come to the construction of this heartbeat sensor circuit. As shown in this diagram, you can build this circuit on the breadboard where you don't need to solder the components, and in second way you can assemble the same circuit using PCB or zero PCB where you need to soldering the actual components. The components required are LED, then infrared LED as a transmitter and infrared photodiode as a receiver. Another components are that needs IC LM358, few resistors, then capacitors, that includes both type of capacitors. You will need zero port or 0 port, 9-volt battery, and in case if you are building this project on breadboard, of course you will need also one breadboard for particular purpose. After proper connection of each component, the circuit starts its working. Now we need to keep our finger over IR transmitter and receiver, and we can see that output LED is indicating the heartbeat rates. At output, along with that LED, I have connected a mini buzzer in parallel with that LED so that we can get its audio effect. In order to work this circuit properly, the distance between IR sensor and transmitter, it should maintain exactly 1 centimeter. We have to take one utmost care that when we keep our finger on that sensing parts, the sensing part should not move or it should not disturb anyway. Along with this audiovisual effects of heartbeat rate, we can upgrade this circuit so that we can get the exact count of heartbeat by using 7-segment display. For that we need to use 7-segment driver IC and related 7-segment display. Friends, I am just a teacher in electronics and not a professional YouTuber. So you don't need to subscribe or share this channel with anybody. And lastly, thank you very much for your patience listening and watching this video for a long time.